Hello, everybody. Good morning. This is my friend, the big green toad. Hello. And we've come to you today from the Children's Museum and Theater of Maine at home together. And today, my friend, that's me, is going to tell a story called Little Blue Truck. Little Blue Truck is written by Alice Schertle and illustrated by Jill McElmry. All right. Are you guys ready? I'm in the story, so this is really exciting. Okay. Here we go. Little Blue Truck. Horn went beep. Engine purred. Friendliest sound you ever heard. Look at that little blue truck. And the birds. Little Blue Truck came down the road. Beep, said Blue to a big green toad. Can you make a big beep like Little Blue Truck? Beep, as loud as you can. Toad said, ooh, that's my part. Croak, and winked an eye. One Little Blue Truck went rolling by. We have some more animals coming in. Let's see, we've got a sheep. Do you know what sheep says? Sheep says, baa. Cow says, what does cow say? Moo. Oink, said a piggy. Ready for Blue's part? Beep, said Blue. Oh man, we're all getting together. Cluck, said a chicken, and her chick said, peep, 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 peep. Ma, said a goat. Blue said, beep. Neigh, said a horse. Quack, said a duck. Beep, said the friendly Little Blue Truck. Whoa, who's coming along now? Big and yellow. Honk, yelled a dump. I'm coming through. I've big important things to do. I haven't got time to pass the day with every duck along the way. Oh no! Look at that duck had to run out of the way! Ah! That's not very friendly of that big truck, huh? Vroom went the dump around the curve. He saw a puddle. He tried to swerve. Into the mud rolled the big fat truck, and his big important wheels got stuck. Oh no! Look at truck in the mud! His heavy-duty dump truck tires were sunk down deep in muck and mire. Honk! Cried the dump. He sounded scared. Oh, but nobody heard or nobody cared. Oh, look at all the animals have turned away. I wonder what's going to happen. Then, into the mud, bump, 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 came Little Blue Truck to help the dump. Little Blue pushed with all his might, but now Blue and Dump were both stuck tight. Oh no! Now they're both stuck! Help, help, help! Cried Little Blue. Beep, 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 I'm stuck, I'm stuck. Everybody heard that beep, beep, beep. The cow came running with the pig and the sheep. Oh, look at Little Blue's face. He looks so worried. Up at a gallop ran the big brown horse. Goat jumped over the fence, of course. Then Hen came flapping with the chick and the duck, and everybody pushed that Little Blue Truck. Everybody's working together. They must be so heavy. Head to head and rump to rump, They all pushed Blue. Push that dump. They couldn't quite budge that heavy load. Then who hopped up? Do you know who it is? But a big green toad! That's me! That's me! I pushed the load. Look at my strong muscles. Oh man. All together. 1, 2, 3. One last push, and the truck was free. Whoa, phew! Thanks, little brother, said Dump to Blue. You helped me, and they helped you. Now I see a lot depends on a helping hand from a few good friends. Beep, said Blue. Who wants a ride? Everybody scrambled to jump inside. Oh, look, I'm driving. I love to drive the blue truck. Oink, quack, bar, moo, cluck, peep, neigh, croak, ma. Beep, beep, beep. That's the end of the story. Thanks so much for joining me today, guys. So, I was thinking that today there's a little bit of sun outside, and maybe you could get your trucks and come play outside too. See if you can find any toads. I'll show you what I've made up. Ready? So you can bring out your, what do we have? Some trucks. You can play with your big trucks, and maybe you want to put some rocks there, or maybe you even want to act out the story with some big gloopy mud. Oh, look, I think I have, oh my gosh, some mud. I love the mud. Maybe that truck will get stuck in the mud. See if you can find any other materials or mud for your trucks to romp around in. Maybe you have animals you'd like to play with. Well, have lots of fun today, guys, and let me know if you have any other stories that have to do with the mud that you can play in the mud with too. All right, well, we'll see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.